In this example, we want to evaluate the limit as x goes to 0 of 4x times sine of 2x divided by sine squared of 5x. Remembering the fact that sine squared of 5x is the same thing as sine of 5x squared. The first thing we want to do for solving this problem is split up all the different terms and then try to use them to figure out what we need to multiply and divide by, make the limits work out the nice way we need them to. We can write this out as the limit as x goes to 0. I have a sine of 2x on top. I have a sine of 5x on the bottom. I have another sine of 5x on the bottom. And then I have a 4x on top. Now, if I want the first limit to be of a nice form, I want to see sine of 2x over 2x. So what I can do is I can add in a 2x here, dividing by 2x, and then at the end I can multiply by 2x. I have the green part here has not changed in my expression because I've multiplied and divided by the same thing, but I now have the first part looking like sine of 2x over 2x, which is a nice form to have for taking this limit. Similarly, I can add in a 5x up here because I want to see 5x over sine of 5x, and divide by 5x, again, not changing my expression, but getting to a nicer form. And then do the same thing on the last factor here, 5x on top, and a 5x on the bottom. So if we rewrite this out, we will see this is the same thing now as the limit as x goes to 0 of a sine of 2x over 2x, a 5x over sine of 5x, another copy of 5x over sine of 5x, and then over here I will see an 8x squared on top and a 25x squared on the bottom. And since we're looking at points going near 0 but not at 0, I can be allowed to cancel the x squareds, so they cancel out. Now I can split this limit up into each of the product terms and move forward from there. This will be the same thing as limit x goes to 0 of sine of 2x over 2x times limit x goes to 0, 5x over sine of 5x. Another copy of that term. And then an 8 over 25, because that doesn't depend on x, so the limit of x equals 0 of that is just that value. Now, based on our rules for trig limits, we know that this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1, meaning my final answer here is 1 times 1 times 1 times the 8 over 25, giving me a final answer of 8 over 25. That's how you work out this trig limit problem.